Hi everyone, welcome to the First Step WordPress Masterclass, a tutorial designed specifically for beginners. In this session, we'll cover the basics to help you get started on your WordPress journey. This session is divided into 3 parts. What is WordPress? Why use WordPress? WordPress.com versus WordPress.org. Let's dive into the first part. What is WordPress? WordPress is a content management system, CMS. A CMS is a platform that allows you to create and manage websites without needing any coding experience. In the past, building a website required hiring a developer who could write code using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and more. However, with the rise of CMS platforms like WordPress, creating websites has become much easier even for complete beginners. There are many CMS options available today, such as Wix, Shopify, and Joomla. But WordPress stands out as the most popular and widely used platform. Why use WordPress? Here are some reasons why WordPress is the go-to choice for millions of users worldwide. Flexible and user-friendly. WordPress is perfect for all types of websites, whether you're creating a blog, portfolio, e-commerce store, or business website. Highly customizable. With thousands of free and paid themes and plugins, you can design your website exactly how you want. Open source. WordPress is free to use and you're in full control of your website. All you need is a domain name and a hosting plan to get started. Community support. WordPress has one of the largest communities, offering extensive resources, tutorials, and forums. Cost effective. Unlike some platforms with monthly subscription fees, WordPress lets you avoid recurring costs. Powerful and reliable. WordPress powers nearly 48% of all websites worldwide, including those of major companies and organizations. Famous websites using WordPress. Here are some well-known examples of websites powered by WordPress: the New York Times, Microsoft, Sony Music, BBC America, the White House, Time Magazine, and many more. WordPress.com versus WordPress.org. One of the most common questions beginners ask is, what's the difference between WordPress.com and WordPress.org? WordPress.com. Think of WordPress.com like renting an apartment. Everything is taken care of for you: hosting, security, and updates, but you can't make major changes like installing custom plugins or tweaking your site's code. WordPress.org. Now, WordPress.org is like owning your own home. You have full control. You can install plugins, customize everything, and even edit the code. But you're responsible for maintaining your site, like backups and security. In this course, we'll be using WordPress.org to design a beautiful website without any limitations. You'll have the freedom to create exactly what you envision and explore all the customization options that WordPress.org offers.